All right, WMC, this is the video to find our two mini winners for the Giannis Rizzo Winner's Choice. So we'll check the time, April 19th at 2:25 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We've got April 19th at 2:25 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top two after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Looking for the top two. It is Zach and John. So Zach and John, you will both win spots in the main. Zach, you have first pick. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again. April 19th, 2:26 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.